Have you ever wondered what's better, a protein shake or a meal replacement shake? They may look similar, but they're designed for very different purposes. Choosing the wrong one could slow down your fitness goals, weight loss, or nutrition plan. Today, we're breaking down the key differences between protein shakes and meal replacement shakes, and which one might be better for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about protein shakes. A protein shake is exactly what it sounds like, a drink mainly focused on protein. Its main purpose is to help support muscle growth, recovery, and protein intake. Most protein shakes contain anywhere from 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving, with very little fat or carbohydrates. This makes them popular among athletes, gym-goers, and people trying to build muscle. Protein shakes are especially useful after workouts. After exercise, your muscles need protein to recover and rebuild. That's where protein shakes can be very effective. Now let's talk about meal replacement shakes. Meal replacement shakes are designed to replace an entire meal. That means they contain a balance of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and often fiber. Unlike protein shakes, meal replacements aim to provide a complete nutritional profile. They're often used by busy people, people trying to lose weight, or anyone needing quick nutrition on the go. So what's the biggest difference? Simple. Protein shakes focus mostly on protein. Meal replacement shakes focus on overall nutrition. Now let's compare calories. Protein shakes are usually lower in calories, often around 100 to 200 calories. Meal replacement shakes are higher, usually between 250 and 400 calories or more, because they're meant to be more filling. If your goal is muscle gain, protein shakes are often the better option. They help you hit your daily protein goals without adding too many extra calories. If your goal is weight loss, meal replacement shakes can sometimes help by controlling portions and reducing unhealthy snacking. But only if they're used wisely. Now let's talk about ingredients. Not all shakes are healthy. Some are loaded with sugar, artificial ingredients, and fillers. The best protein shakes have high-quality protein and low added sugar. The best meal replacement shakes have balanced nutrition, fiber, and whole food ingredients. Always read the label. Now here's something important. Neither one should completely replace real food long-term. Whole foods provide nutrients, textures, and benefits that shakes can't fully match. Shakes should support your diet, not become your entire diet. So which one is better? It depends on your goal. If you need muscle recovery, extra protein, or post-workout support, protein shakes usually win. If you need convenience, balanced nutrition, or a quick meal on a busy day, meal replacement shakes may be the better choice. The truth is, both can be useful. The key is knowing when to use each one. Because the best shake isn't about marketing. It's about matching the right tool to your health goals. And now you know the difference between protein shakes and meal replacement shakes.